Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel here with one of our first videos presenting you something very special from Germany, from Bottrop basically. Today we are going to present you the all-new Brabus Adventure 800 XLP. The all-new and first pickup based on the new G63 AMG with 800 horsepower and 1000 Newton meter of torque. As you can see, some crazy carbon fiber work and aggressive front. This car is equipped with a V8 bi-turbo engine modified by Brabus in Bottrop. In total, this car is 533 meters long and 2 meter and 10 centimeters wide. This car weighs 3,690 kilograms and is just absolutely breathtaking. This is the Brabus 800 XLP first edition, which is almost fully equipped with the special paint by Brabus, the rocket silver matte, which is a bright silver color finished in matte. Starting with the front, we have many additional parts made by Brabus, many carbon parts also. Here you can see the Adventure XLP emblem, Brabus grille with the brushed carbon fiber grille frame and the new blacked out grille. Brabus emblems over there and over here, and the illuminated Brabus emblem on the grille as well. Here we have the brushed carbon hood extension, which looks very brutal if you look from here. Moving to the sides, you can see the car is very wide. Basically, Brabus has put on the white star package on this Brabus 800 XLP. As you can see, Brabus bi-turbo 800 badge over here, Brabus emblems, also finished in matte carbon fiber. We have the bodywork conversion, door handles also with the Brabus logo, and here we have some beautiful carbon fiber details also in brushed carbon fiber. Moving ahead, we have the Brabus valve controlled sport exhaust system mounted here. The all new Brabus off-road rims, the monoblock HD wheels in 22-inch, looking crazy. They are so huge you can barely see the brakes. And if we move further, we have the pickup loading area with the Brabus emblem, with the carbon sidewalls. These sidewalls are finished in carbon fiber. This is a huge extension, fully made by Brabus and Bottrop. You can move over here. We don't have a spare tire over here. We have the Brabus emblem with a cover, also finished in brushed carbon fiber. If we go ahead and open the loading area, we have the flexi teak floor on loading surface with the Brabus emblems over here. They also use this for the Brabus Marine and the Axopar boats. This is basically very resistant. So let's step on the pickup loading area over here. Let me show you more of the car from outside. Here we have the loading area, also very usable. This is basically a tool, not just a car. Here you can load up almost everything. It's very resistant, made out of stainless steel. About the tires and the rims, here we have the all-new Brabus monoblock HD forged wheels in 22-inch and the Pirelli 325 55 R22 wheels. Before we move inside the Brabus 800 XLP, I'm going to show you the running boards. When you open the door, instantly popping out, so you have a really easy entrance. You just step on the running board and can easily proceed entering the Brabus. And before we proceed with the interior, I just want to show you the full conversion portal access in the front and in the rear. You can see them if you crouch under the car, right over here and right over there. So now let's head inside the new Brabus 800 XLP. We have the Brabus entrance lights illuminated, also finished in carbon fiber. Here we have the handmade fine leather interior called burnt oak with special stitching here called rice diamonds. Very beautiful. So now let's step inside. Here we are now finally inside the Brabus 800 XLP Adventure. As you can see, we have a dark brown interior here. Finish made by Brabus. The steering wheel is finished with the brown leather as well, and the steering wheel frame is finished in a matte black finish. Also all the small parts are finished in matte black, and we have a carbon fiber trim over here, the Brabus emblem, and the whole dashboard and center console is finished in carbon fiber with the dark brown touches, as you can see here. So let's start up. We have the AMG emblem, all the carbon parts. We have the air intakes, also finished in a dark brown. All the buttons finished in dark brown, as you can see over here. All the details. We have the Adventure XLP emblem over here. We have a full carbon fiber and the brown metallic finish. Also the shift pedals by Brabus finished in gloss carbon fiber. All the parts, all the buttons are repainted and finished by Brabus. Here you can clearly see the dark brown metallic color and the carbon fiber work, the leather trim and the brown stitching. Really looks awesome. Here we have the seats. These are not the sports seats. These are very comfortable and elegant seats with the Brabus rising diamond stitching, Brabus fine leather emblem over here, and the Brabus logo on the headrest. The door handles also finished with the Brabus logo. This is the first time I see it, and it basically looks very nice. Now let's step inside. The rear seats, we have the Brabus emblem illuminated, the entrance light again. Also in the rear seats we have the 3 seats over here, also with the Brabus emblem and the rising diamond stitching. Moving ahead, closing the door, you can see you have pretty much space in the rear, even though it is a pickup. And you have the door handles finished. You have the normal handles Full carbon fiber detail over here, really looking nice. Awesome additional part, also made by Brabus. Also you have the buttons over here, all repainted from Brabus. Also these ones in gloss brown metallic. And as you can see, you have pretty much space in the rear, even though it is in pickup. Now let's hear what the Brabus Adventure 800 XLP is all about. Some sound check for you guys. Open up the door. You have the running boards over here. Let's step inside. First, you have the Nick. Now let's hear what the Brabus Adventure 800 XLP is all about and test the Brabus sound system. You have the running boards over here. Stepping inside the car now. Let's start up. Let's put the car in Sport Plus, which automatically activates the exhaust. For this car, as I said, as a daily use and tool, we have a additional cable winch which has a pulling force of 4.5 tons, which can be used also, and additional part for the Brabus 800 XLP. And before I forget, I just want to show you something very special about this Geländewagen and SUV pickup. Underneath here we have the underride protection for the engine, gearbox and the tank. Very massive and gives you the safety and stability you need on the roads. Here you can see the top of the car. We have many carbon fiber, brushed carbon fiber covers and parts over here with the additional lights on top, and the roof carrier finished in stainless steel. So before we end this video, I just want to show you the Brabus XLP 800 key. We have the latest Mercedes-Benz key with the Brabus emblem on the back. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment if you like this car and what you want to see next. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Hope to see you soon. Bye.